everyone. So as I told you that in my previous slide, there is one criteria for selecting in national level competitions. So here we are going to know about that. What is the national level criteria? What they are really focusing on to give you an award. So internally, what they are seeing, they are always trying to understand your problems. What are the problems you are facing in your organization, and what type of actions you have took during the problem when you have identified. Okay, so in the first slide they want their welcome of slides of national competitions, whatever it is XYZ national competitions. We have to make one slide, welcome slide. Then about organization. So what is the footprint of your organization, when it is started, who has founded, how much acre of land, employees, and other things, including in 2 slides. Okay, if your organization is too large, then it may be 3 or 4 slides. Then again, next slide will be about your products. What products you are manufacturing, how your customer is buying that products. Okay, then in the next slide, what problems you are facing, how you have acted on it. So when you have find the problems, why that idea is triggered in your mind, why that problem is only, why you have not taken any other problems. So you have to showcase that why you have chosen that problem. Then after finding that problem, you have to do a brainstorming. So you must have a data collection of that problem, since how many onwards or how many months you are facing that problem, what was the root cause, what is the business impact, why we have chosen that. Then what is your team member. In the next slide, means in 7th or 8th slide, it will be your team members with your pictures, that facilitator, 2 team members, and sponsor will be your site head or plant head or department head. Okay, maybe either or all. Then in the 9th or 10th slide, you are going to explain them whole process about your problems, from where about the machine process, because another person, those who are seeing your problem, is not knowing about your problems, he is not knowing about your process. So you have to make him understand that what is your process, and in the process where you are having the problem. After that, you have to showcase them before and after pictures, that before this was the problem, after this is we have eliminated through the pictorials and also during the presentations. Okay, then you have to showcase the sustainability of that and results. So in the results, as I told you that last month of data collection you have already showcased. So in the results you have to showcase that last month till 6 month, year, they have faced that problem, and now you have eliminated since 2 months onward, 3 months onward, whatever the data you are having, by when you have implemented that project, till implementation of the date till yet, from the implementation of date till yet. Okay, so you have to showcase that in before and after results also. Then sustainability, so how we are going to track that it is going to be sustained. So what we do, we used to create OPL, we used to create SOPs, generate SOPs, we used to put up visualizations in front of operators, giving training. By giving them a training, we are sustaining their kaizens, although sometimes it happens related, for example, breakdown. So if we are talking about breakdown, we are also having a maintenance logbook. So like that, we have to showcase in the sustainability part that how we are sustaining that problem, and also parallel deployment, where we are deploying that, where we are going to deploy, where we can utilize that problem, or we are having the same kind of problem and we can deploy our results, whatever we have find our idea into that problem. Okay, so horizontal deployment, where we can reapply it whatever we have did it on the X line to Y line. Okay, so these are the few steps which we have to follow to participate while participating in national level competitions to get awarded. So always they are used to see the problem area, how you have identified, what action you have taken, and the most important, the process of your area, because they are not able to see your area, they are not there in your production area, they are not aware about your process. So you should make him reliable, that he can understand about your process, about your problems, and then your actions, whatever you have taken. That's all. These things mostly we have to keep in our mind while making a presentation for national level awards, and while presentation also, while presenting in front of jury members at national level competitions. Okay, so next time we will discuss about any other topics in green learning tools, as well as many things we are having. So that, thank you for all for winning this award. This is the second video. If you have not visited my first video, please go on it, view it, and understand about the process or tricks required to accomplish or to get awarded in national competitions. Thank you.